which animal strong? Kangaroo strong. Kangaroo strong. Kangaroo strong. Strong, 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 strong. Up and down, far and high, we know which animal strong. Rabbit strong. Rabbit strong. Rabbit strong. Rabbit strong. Jump, 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 jump. Up and down, far and high, we know which animal strong. Little frog strong. Little frog strong. Little frog strong. Jump, 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 jump. Up and down, far and high, we know which animal strong. Grasshopper strong. Some of them jump, 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 jump.
Sige daw, be. Justin. Ha? Anong gawa mo? Ano yan?
Superman.
Ah, Superman. Superman ka pala. Akala ko Batman.
Batman.
Ay, Batman. O, dance na. Or kaya sing. Katulad kay Kuya Joseph ba? Ano galing yung sayo ni Kuya Joseph?
My little pony.
Sige daw. Sayaw ka daw. Yung ganyan-ganyan niya, oh. Yung ganon-ganon. Yan. Oh, sige daw. Sample daw. Sample, sample, sample. Oh, gayahin mo sila, oh. Sila ate. Gayahin mo, oh. Yan, oh. Yung ano nila, oh. Bye-bye na, bye-bye. Dito ka harap. Bye-bye.